Meet the eFOLDi Explorer, your road-legal, fold-in-seconds travel companion. We'll show you how to get started. Unbox your Explorer and keep your packaging for servicing. The charger is inside the liner and the keys in the seatback bag. Pause here if you'd like to check. Step 1. Press latches B and C to raise the carry handle upright. Step 2. Pull the handlebars toward you and release latch E. Then lift the steering column until it locks into place. Release the front wheel with a firm pull or twist. Step 3. Move the wheel forward and lower to the ground. Lift handlebars and lock under latch A. Finally, lift the seat and push down the foot pegs. Your Explorer is ready to ride. Step 1. Fold the foot pegs and the seat back down. Step 2. Release latch A, lower the column, lift the scooter to an upright position, and lock the front wheel flat onto its magnet in the frame. Step 3. Press latch D and lower the column over the carry handle until it's locked with latch E. Then secure the handlebars to the frame magnet. Finally, press and hold latches B and C and fold the carry handle down. Your Explorer is compact and travel ready. To use as a chair, press B and C, lift the handle forward, then raise the seat back. To lift into a car boot, grip both frame sides and lift carefully. Charge on board, or remove the battery to charge separately. Turn the key to power on, check the battery, select speed or reverse, twist the throttle to go, and squeeze the brake to stop. Lights, indicators and horn are all at your fingertips. Your Explorer is ready. Just unfold and go. We're here to make your journey smooth and stress-free. For more help, visit eFOLDi.com or give our team a call.